What's going on, Custom Gun family? We have a deep cleaning that we want to show you today. Here's this pair with some different color laces. The Jordan Nike SB. They are the skateboarding edition. These are the shoes that we're going to be cleaning on today. And you can see this from what I'm about to show you real quick. These are really dirty. They've been out since March 21st, 2023. That's when these came out. Recently, in the last year or so, they just dropped a blue version of these. They're white and blue, where the green is. These are the pine green Jordan 4s. Let's get into this deep cleaning. We got to clean this nubuck, this upper leather, because it was kind of like an off-white. And let's just get into it. This is the cleaner that we're going to be using today. We don't have Angelus. That's all right. We do got a new brush. Here's the cleaner. And here's the brush. Nice bigger brush. We still have the ones that we was going to be using, which is a stiff brush and a soft bristle brush. Hey, you mess up sometime, it's cool. You get my point though. We're going to be using this one. It's nice. Let's start the deep cleaning process. All right, y'all. So next we need to remove the laces of these. We got the black ones and we got the white pair. After that, you decide which ones should we choose, and also should we customize these shoes. Leave this in the comment. You decide on either one. They look like they was trying to strangle their shoelaces.